In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Vagaro password. Keeping your account secure is really important, and updating your password from time to time is a simple step that can help protect your personal information and booking history. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Vagaro account in a web browser. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see either your profile picture, if you've uploaded one, or a small circle with your initials. That's your profile menu. Go ahead and click that profile picture or initials. This opens a small drop-down menu with options related to your account. From that menu, select the option labeled My Profile. This will take you to your profile page where you can see and manage information connected to your Vagaro account, such as your name, contact details, and account settings. Give the page a moment to load, and once it's open, you're ready for the next part. On the profile page, start scrolling down until you find the section called Account Management. This area is where Vagaro groups tools related to your login and security, including your password. Scroll slowly so you don't miss it, and when you see Account Management, pause there. Within the Account Management section, look for and select the Change Password option. Clicking this will open a form or a small panel where you can enter your current password and then choose a new one. This step helps ensure that only you, as the account owner, can make changes to your login information. You'll now see fields asking for your current password, your new password, and a confirmation of the new password. Start by typing your current password exactly as you use it to sign in. This confirms your identity. Then, in the new password field, enter the password you want to start using from now on. Choose something that's strong and unique, with a mix of characters if possible, but still something you can remember. In the confirmation field, retype that same new password. Make sure it matches exactly, including any capital letters, numbers, or symbols. If the two entries don't match, Vagaro will usually warn you, so take a moment to double check for typos. Once you've entered your current password, your new password, and confirmed it, look for the button that says Save Changes. When you're confident everything is correct, click Save Changes to apply the update. The system may take a second to process this. After it's saved successfully, your password is officially changed. From this point on, you'll use your new password the next time you log into Vagaro. If you're signed in on multiple devices or browsers, it can be a good idea to sign out and sign back in using your new password just to confirm everything is working as expected. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to change your Vagaro password, and you can repeat this process anytime you want to update your account security.